Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in a lab show. Chapter 34, so here it is. Let's read the story. Talk to Suman, right now, you just made a joke with Ran Mincheng in the ward. Were you afraid that he would be worried? Right now, Suman, looking at Randall, since the two of them already came back to the room, it is normal for the person's body functions to decline. When she reaches middle age, Mr. Wan was just a little overtired this time. This is no big problem, so don't worry about it, the doctor said to her. But back then, look at Randall. She looks very good. When she heard this on the doctor, why don't you like it? Where is Randall? Well, back then, she was really eager to know what's the problem on her dad. Maybe it's these little things, or maybe it's her love that's so sincere and warm. The countless pieces makes up the things I like about her. Oh, right now, Suman should think this, and it makes me want to rush to her and have her regardless of my own safety, countless of time. Well, all she can do is think about Randall. And Randall, well, Suman, she really loved her. Even though right now, Randall seems to be puzzled that Suman suddenly stopped. Suman, why are you so in daze? Promise me. So, Randall wants her to promise her that she won't tell her dad. But right now, Suman, she come back to her senses and said, ah. Well, it seems that Randall, she already calmed down. Also, Suman, she is not in daze anymore, and she come back to herself. Randall, then you can go now. Randall said to Suman, well, this little girl, after crying so hard right now, she already calmed down and trying to send her away from her. But, Suman, Tao, it was me who was wrong just now. I apologize to you right now. Randall, Suman moved closer to her and hugged her tightly. Well, right now, Suman is promising her, but also told her that, don't you hate me? Well, probably, Randall, she didn't really hate her. Also, she was really fantasizing her. With a lot of things happen, but right now, this little girl, she already feels that Suman was really gentle and lingering with a little bit of fraying voice. She is questioning herself. It is came from Suman. Well, right now, even these little things, she already noticed this, that if I die, I will either burn out or go to hell. Otherwise, why would I hug Suman and cry like this? I'm buried in Suman. Now, she was thinking silly. This doesn't mean that it's annoying, right? Suman is asking her, but all Tao can think is bury herself on Suman. Well, this little kid sometimes she was really annoying person. Right now, on herself, she want to push her away. Randall, push Suman away. Right now, of course, she cannot push her, but she really buried herself towards her. Well, Randall, disinfectant water in the hospital smells bad, and her violet-scented embrace is so warm and makes people feel at ease. It's not that you are not allowed to go out, Vars, but if you go, it is safer to go. There are also announcements and career planning. It is best to leave that professional agent. The shooting movements are also gentle as soon as they shooting somewhere treasure. Well, this little girl, she was really thinking beyond her imagination. Right now, she's become silly. Baby, I'm her baby. Even things like this. Well, this little kid, she should be found by Suman again, right? Suman said to her, when you feel better, you can play however you want. Oh, this is the happiest things that ever happened to her. She can do whatever she wants again. Suman will not controlling her anymore and also limiting her. To make her sense right now, she was really surprised and said to her, it is for real? Oh, this little kid. Now, she seems to be calm now. Also, she looks really happy. Well, you said this yourself, you can go back on it. Someone said, when I have lied to you, I won't regret it. Someone said to her, well, finally, the relationship is getting better. Well, looking at her, she really promised her right now. And Suman, she was really looking serious. Maybe because she was really fun on Suman right now, and when she looking at her, it seems that she got in trance. Isn't the fever gone? Why is her face so red? She is really shy to Suman, that's why she is really blushing. But suddenly, right now, since she already been caught, Tao Tao, it turns out she wanted to tell lies. She won't admit it herself right now. Suman, she was thinking, window. Well, did she really forget that the window is already open? Tao Tao, she was only making an alibi to be able to push her away from her. Well, when she looked at it, the window is really open. She's covering herself on the bed. Even though Suman, when she looking at her, was left when she was just lying in my arms. Suman said to herself, well, let's see on what will happen. It is the blushing because of embarrassment. She's still crying at such a big age. Suman said to herself, she really feels that Tao Tao is cute when she was crying. Right now, Tao Tao, she covered herself. Suman said to her, okay, I hold myself and back for a while. So it turns out Suman will go out. She was only living alone for a while. There were no more tears. She finally stopped crying. So don't cry like that again. Whether you are unhappy, sad, or happily. Suman said to her. She's wiping her tears, but there's no tears. She was only looking at her right now. Suman, look at her. She looks really curious, and also, she was really worried about Tao Tao. Even though Tao Tao is not speaking, of course, she really understands her. Children who are crying loudly will be annoying and will be teased twice as much, Tao Tao said to herself. But right now, it seems that she was still blushing. Already calmed down. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!